Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to SPS online classes. So basically today we will discuss on mathematics, basically class from ninth, and last class we will discuss about the solution of irrational number. That means how we can add and subtract of the irrational numbers. And we will discuss about rationalize, matlab how to rationalize the denominator or denominator. So today we will discuss on the same topic, and we are trying to solve few questions from your NCRT book. From your NCRT book. So today we will discuss and trying to solve your few questions from your NCRT book. So let's start. So basically, last class we discussed about some algebraic expression and basic formulas like a plus b ka whole square, a minus b ka whole square, a square minus b square. How we can apply this algebraic formula in case of solving of an irrational number. That means suppose that if 5, example number 1, say 5 plus root 7, 5 plus root 7, and the second one is 2 plus root 5, 2 plus root 5. So how we can solve? First of all, we will try to solve simply. That means we are trying to apply the a plus b whole square. That means a plus b whole square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square plus equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square, it will be equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a square minus b square will be equals to a square minus b square. A square minus b square, sorry, a plus b, a minus b. It will be equal to a minus b and a plus b. A plus b. If the similar quantity is multiplied by itself in 2 times, if a similar quantity, that means similar number is multiplied by 2 times, in that case we can use the mathematical formula. But in that case we can't, because 5 plus root 7 or 2 plus root 5 is both are the different quantity. In that case we will multiply simply. Suppose a plus b plus c. A is multiplied by b plus c. So that means a can be multiplied 1 times b and with c. That means ab plus ac. Similarly, ab plus ac. Similarly, we can apply this formula with this question. So that means 5. So 5 is multiplied by 2 plus root 5 plus second one is root 7. Root 7 is multiplied by 2 plus root 5. 2 plus root 5. The answer after that, if 5 into 2, that means 5 into 2 plus 5 into root 5 plus 7, 2 into root 7 plus root 7 into root 5. Root 7 into root 5. As per this, now 2 into 5, that means it's equal to 10 plus 5 into root 5, that means 5 root 5 plus 2 into root 7, 2 into root 7 plus this can be that means root under 35. Root under 35, because as we know that root if a into b ka whole root, a into b pe whole root, it can be written as a root a into root b. So similarly we can write that root 7 into root 5 root under 35, because 7 into 5 35. The answer is this. Look at these questions. That means root 7 root 7, root 35 root 35. It can't be added. If you try to solve, that means अगर आप इसको और छोटा करना चाहते हैं, तो simply we can do that. 10 plus 2 root 7 plus 2 root 7 plus 5 root 5 plus root 35. you can take the common root 5, 5 plus 7. It can be repeat. It can be repeat. So finally, this is the answer. Finally, this is the answer. Second question is example number 2. That means NCERT. NCERT. How to solve irrational number. That means how to calculate या फिर how to try to solve the irrational number. That means when the irrational number is multiplied, divide or subtract. The second question is 3 plus root 7 का whole square. 3 plus root 7 का whole square. Whole square. That means root 3 plus root 7 का whole square. मतलब that means the quantity can be written as 3 plus root 7 or 3 plus root 7. It can be written in 2 times because power. That means the quantity is multiplied by itself 2 times. So 3 plus root 7 or 3 plus root 7. So we can use the mathematical formula. You can use the algebraic formula or not. So we can use this formula because a plus b ka whole square. So similarly a plus b ka whole square. So finally a के जगह पे यहाँ पे that means 3 and b के प्लेस पे यहाँ पे root 7. b के प्लेस पे root 7. a का स्क्वायर that means 3 का whole square plus b का स्क्वायर that means root 7 का whole square plus 2 a के प्लेस पे 3 and b के प्लेस पे root 7. The final result is 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Thousands of times we will discuss if the value of root is half. Value of root is half. That means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. So that means the root 7 can be written as root 7 can be written as root 7 can be written as this equal to 7 पे power 1 by 2 and whole power 2 and whole power 2. So that means 7 पे power half into 2. 2 cancel. That means 7. So on the basis of this calculation, we can write directly the root 7 पे whole square will be equal to root only 7 plus 2 into 3 6 root 7. So that means 9 plus 7 9 plus 7 16 plus 6 root 7 is the answer by the mathematical formula. That means with the help of algebraic expression. Now we will try to simply. That means by the multiplication method. By the multiplication method. Look at here. Method 2. Method 2. Look at here. 3. That means a b plus c. So that means it can be written as a into b plus a into c. A into b plus a into c. So similarly we can apply this method with these questions. That means 3 can be 3 plus root 7 plus root 7. 3 plus root 7. 3 plus root 7. Now 3 into 3. 3 into 3 plus 3 into root 7. 3 into root 7 plus 3 into root 7 plus 3 into root 7 plus 7 root 7 into root 7 plus 7. Now I told you root 7 into root 7, that means root 7 का whole square. So root 7 का whole square will be equal to 7. Now 3 into 3 9 plus root 7 is common. Root 7 is common. The value is 3 is here plus 3 is here. 3 plus 7. So 7 into 9 equal to 16 plus root 7 into 3 plus 3 6. So now the value is 16 plus. Now the value is 16 plus root 7 3 plus 3. So that means 16 plus root 7 into 6. So finally 16 plus 6 root 7 is the answer. The answer is always equal. That means it doesn't matter which process you are going to follow. That means both has equal answer. That means in that case आप दोनों प्रोसेस को फॉलो करो, आपका आंसर इक्वल मैच करेगा. That means 16 plus root 7 is also here. 16 plus 6 root 7. 16 plus 6 root 7 and 16 plus 6 root 7 in both cases. So you can use also this one and directly by the multiplication. Another question is 5 plus root 5. Example number 3, 5 plus root 5 and 5 minus root 5 and 5 minus root 5. Look at here. So that means a minus b and a plus b. E minus b and a plus b. That means we can use this formula. We can use this formula. In that case, in case of at the place of a is 5 and at the place of b is root 5. So that means that can be written as a square. That means a square minus b square. Similarly, a के place पे 5 का square minus b के place पे root 5 का whole square. That means 25, 5 into 5, 25 minus root 5 का whole square. That means 5 is equal to 20. It will be equal to 20. First method. First method. By the calculation, by the multiplication. That means 5 minus root 5 plus root 5 bracket 5 minus 5. Method 2. Method 2. अब दूसरा तरीके से देखिए. So 5 into 5. It can be written as 5 into 5 minus 5 root 5. After that plus 5 root 5 minus 5 into 5 root 5 का whole square. Is equal to 5 into 5 25 minus 5 root 5 plus 5 root 5 and this one is minus 5 because root 5 का whole square equal to 5. In that case minus plus cancel and 25 minus 5 equal to 20 is the answer. Is the answer. Is the answer. If you have strong mathematical calculation, you can use this formula. Direct method, that means by the multiplication. And if you want to easy to solve, you can use this formula, algebraic expression basically always. Another question is next question is 11 plus fourth number. Example number 4. Example number 4. That means root 11 minus root 7 and root 11 plus root 7. That means a minus b and a plus b. तो आप यूज कर सकते हैं a square minus b square that is equal to a minus b and a plus b. A minus b and a plus b. So now we can use the formula. That means a. In place of a, that means root 7 is the place of b. So root 11 का whole square minus root 7 का whole square by the formula. Now the value is, that means 11 minus 7 is equal to 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer. And second method is that means root 11 minus root 7 and root 11 minus root 7. Root 11 minus root 7 plus root 7. Now root 11 is multiplied by root 11 plus root 7 and minus root 7 is multiplied by root 11 plus root 7. So now the value is root 11 into root 11. That means root 11 का whole square plus root 11 root 7 into root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 और ये माइनस और ये प्लस माइनस रूट 7 का होल स्क्वायर. रूट 7 का होल स्क्वायर. नाउ द वैल्यू इज 11 प्लस this one is plus and this one is minus. The similar quantity plus minus 0. That means cancel. Now the value is 11 minus 7. That means root 7 का whole square equal to 7. The value is 4. As per your mental strength, you can follow both method. By the formula and by the calculation. In last class, I told you how to rationalize. That means how to rationalize a rational number. So we will discuss few questions how to rationalize the denominator of an irrational number. The first one is denominator. That means 1 by root 2. Suppose that 1 by root 2 and we want to rationalize root 2. That means denominator. So 1 by root 2 and both side, upper side and lower side. That means equal number से multiply कर देना. That means इसका नोमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को दोनों इक्वल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम लोग. दैट मीन्स रूट टू. दैट मीन्स 1 इंटू रूट टू बाई रूट टू इंटू रूट टू. दैट मीन्स रूट टू का होल स्क्वायर. इट विल बी इक्वल टू रूट टू बाई टू. इज द आंसर. इज द आंसर सिंपली. इज द आंसर सिंपली. एग्जाम्पल. Another example is 5 minus 5 by root 3 minus root 5. अब इस नंबर का सपोज दैट इरेशनल नंबर. दिस इज द इरेशनल. दैट मीन्स 5 बाई रूट 3 माइनस रूट 5 इज द इरेशनल नंबर. इसको अगर हमको रेशनलाइज करना हो दैट मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर. तो सिंपल इक्वल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई नोमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. रूट 3 माइनस रूट 5 बाई रूट 3 माइनस रूट 5. बट वन थिंग इज important that you have to change the sign. That means if there is minus, you have to multiply with plus. That means plus. If there is minus, if there is minus, you should multiply with plus. If there is plus, you should multiply with minus. So now minus plus, it will be equal to. That means 5 into root 3 plus root 5 by root 3 minus root 5 and root 3 plus root 5. That means root 3 plus root 3 minus root 5 and root 3 plus root 5. Root 3 plus root 5. Root 5. Root 5. Now the value is 5 into 3 plus 5 into root 5. A square a minus b. That means a square minus b square will be equal to a minus b and a plus b. Similarly, a minus b or a plus b. At the place of a is root 3 and at the place of b is root 5. Now the value is a square minus b square. That means root 3 whole square of root 3 and whole square of root 5. And now the value is minus 15 plus 5 root 5 by 3 minus 5. It will be equal to 15 plus 5 root 5 by minus 2. That means minus 15 plus 5 root 5 by 2 is the final answer. Is the final answer. Is the final answer. It also can be written as minus 5 by 2 and 3 plus root 5. This is also, it can be also written as like that. 15 plus 5 root 5 by 2 can be written as minus 5 by 2 into multiplied 3 plus root 5. Doesn't matter, both has same value. Another question is another question is 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. 1 plus 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. Basically हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, रेशनलाइज कर रहे हैं किसको, डिनोमिनेटर को. Now look at here, the sign is plus now. So now we are going to multiply with negative sign by the same number. That means 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2 is multiplied by 7 minus 3 root 2 by 7 minus 3 root 2. Then now it will be equal to, that means 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2 by, this can be written as 7 minus 3 root 2 and 7 minus 3 root 2. 7 minus 3 root 2. Now the value is 7 minus 3 root 2 by a square minus b square. That means a minus b and a plus b finally. A minus b and a plus b. So now roots only 7 square minus 3 root 2 whole square. It will be equals to 7 minus 3 root 2 by 7 into 7. That means 49. 49 minus 3 into root 2 का whole square. Look at here. Suppose that a into b का whole square. That means a square into b square. So similarly, we can apply this formula with this. That means 3 into root 2 का whole square, it will be equal to 3 square into root 2 का whole square. It will be equal to 9 into 2. That means 18. 18 can be written as 18. 3, 9 and root 2 का whole square. That means 2. So 2 into 9 equal to 18. So now the value is 7 minus 3d root 2 by 49 में 18 को माइनस करेंगे. That means 9 में 8 जाएगा 1 and 4 में 1 जाएगा 3. That means 31 is the answer. Is the answer. Easy to calculate all these values. And NCERT answers. NCERT exercise 1.5 exercise 1.5 your homework as W. You have to solve all these questions from exercise 1.5 में. That means 1.5 में जो भी questions है you have to solve and send on our WhatsApp group. So 1.5 is your homework. 1.5 is your homework. The topic like laws of exponent, laws of exponent EX. Laws of exponent for the real number. Laws of exponent for the real number. That means real number, that means 1 2 3 4 5 any number. That means सभी numbers जैसे odd, even, integer, उसके बाद natural, irrational, prime, co-prime, all these numbers are the real numbers. So basically laws of exponent for real numbers. Suppose that as we know that a to the power m and a to the power n, as we know that a is here real number, r is a real number, a is here real number, and power also is a real number, and power is also is a real number, maybe integer, doesn't matter they are positive or negative, as we know that when the base is equal, the power should be added in case of multiplication. Now the result is a to the power m plus n. The similar rule can be applied. Similar rule we can apply in case of integer. That means suppose 17 पे power 2 into 17 पे power 5, 17 पे power 2 into 17 पे power 5. In that case the base are equal. That means power should be added. That means 17 पे power 2 plus 5. Now the result is 17 पे power 7. 17 पे power 7 is the answer. 17 पे power 7 is the answer. Rule number 2. Suppose that a to the power m and a to the power n. So where a real number is the real number and m or n, m and let integer, let integer, integer. That means it may be positive or negative. It may be negative or positive. That means -1, -2, -3, -4, +1, +2, +3, +4, any number. That means integer. That means -infinity to +infinity, -infinity to +infinity, including 0. These are the integers. Where a is a real number and m or n let integer. That means maybe positive or maybe negative. Now the second example is 5 to the power 8 पे whole power 9. 5 to the power 8 whole power 9. Now the result is a to the power m into n. Similarly 5 पे power 8 into 9. That means 5 पे power 72 is the answer. 5 पे power 72 is the answer. Third one is suppose that a to the power m and b to the power m. In that case base are unequal. unequal. Base are unequal. In that case, base are unequal and power is equal. Power is equal. Power is equal. In that case, we can write that a to a b power whole power m. We can write that a to the power m into b to the power m. If base are not equal, in that case we can write a into b power whole power m. Similarly, 7p power 3 and 9p power 3. Example: 7p power 3 and 9p power 3. So finally they can be written as 7 into 9p whole power 3. 7 into 9 to whole power 3, or it can be written like that 63. That means 7 into 9, 63 to whole power 3. This is the answer. This is the answer. A and B is the kya? A and B is a real number. A and B is a real number. A and B is the real number, and M or M. That means they are equal, na? Integers. Another number is 4. Is 4. A to the power m and a to the power n. That means power different. UW power different. And base are equal. Base are equal. A base are equal. Base are equal. So now this can be written as a to the power m minus n. I told you in our previous classes when base are equal and in case of division power is different, power should be added. Sorry, power should be subtracted. That means when base are equal, power should be subtracted. Power को घटाना चाहिए. That means m minus n, where m is greater than n or mn is a integer. That means positive or negative. Clear? चलो finally example ले लेते हैं एक. Suppose that 3p power half. Suppose that 23p power 16 by 23p power 10. 23p power 16 by 23p power 10. This will be equals to 23 base are equal to whole power 16 by 10. This will be equals to 23p power 6. Is the answer. Is the answer. Is the answer. And few questions like that. Example, another example. Suppose that 1p power 1 by 3p power 5 whole power 4. Whole power 4. Suppose that it can be written as like that. Suppose that 1 बटे e to the power m whole power n. 1 by e to the power m whole power n. Whole power n. And now this can be written as e to the power n by e to the power m by whole power n. That means power can be divided. Power can be divided. N is there and n is there. So that can be written as 1 to the power e to the power m into n. Similarly, I can write these questions like that. That means 1p power 4 by 3p power 5 whole power 4 equal to 1 by 3p power 5 into 4. This will be equals to 1 by 3p power 20, or this can be written as 3p power minus 20 is the answer. As we know that 1 by x will be equal to xp power minus 1. With this similar concept, we can write these questions like that. And second SW is the exercise. The second SW is the exercise 1.6. Second SW is NCERT book NCERT book 1.6, half of the question. That means 1 and 2. 1 and 2. You should solve 1 and 2. This is your homework for the next class. So I hope you will understand all these things and you will able to get all these things. That means all the mathematical terms and how to solve the questions. Yeah, how to multiply, how to solve. So I think enough for today. We'll discuss the rest of the questions, the rest of the examples in our next class. And have a nice day.